About a year and a half ago, it was the end of July. We were on a freeway driving through Kirkland, and we were driving. Traffic ahead started slowing, and before we knew it, we could hear brakes locking, and then we were hit. And things happen so quickly, you don't realize what you're doing and what's really happening. So, you know, the shock and all the stuff that everybody tells you happens, and so you go through that process. You think you're okay, you think you can handle it, and then you find out that you're in a little above your head.
You know, I really have a pain and hurt, and I don't know what to do, and I had to go to the doctor, and people had to like help me in a way to tell me what I had to do to the accident. And really, I don't know, it's hard to find a person who can help you because you don't really have a lot of experience in this kind of gadget.
The thing that was the most important at the time was getting somebody that would be able to take care of any situation that would come up, so that if it became involved, he seemed like he had a great background, and we went through a lot of different websites, checking and going through credentials, and we wanted to make sure we found somebody that if situations went bad, that he would have, or they would have, that kind of background to be able to help through that. And that's exactly what he was able to do. Help us in those situations that when things don't go right, what do we do and how do we handle it now? Because ours wasn't just a cut and dry case.
I'm really happy with the job that Mr. David doing. It's really great. But in my personal thinking is only that I'm happy in myself to go in the process to healing, and I'm really happy with the job Mr. David do it. It's really great.
It's not something you want to go through. It's a very difficult process. It's not an easy process. That's why you guys are in place. It's important, like I say, to have those good people behind you, because they have to kind of carry you through it. You can't just like do this by yourself. And if you think you can, then you're hurting yourself because your outcome won't be as good.